The second-generation GMC Acadia has received a mid-cycle refresh, which brings both stylistic and technical updates. Expanding the engine lineup is a new 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder deactivation. It pushes out 230 horsepower, 233 PS, 172 kilowatts, and 258 pounds-to-foot, 350 Nm of torque, and joins the 2.5-liter i4 and 3.6-liter V6 as standard on the SLT and Denali grades. GMC claims it offers better optimized acceleration and efficiency, while also freeing up more storage space in the central console by having an electronically controlled gear selector instead of the regular transmission shifter. The suspension has been updated to enhance both handling and ride comfort, and modules powered by the new engine have a standard eBoost brake system. The 2020 Acadia sets itself apart from the outgoing iteration with new front and rear fascias. The brand's C-shaped lighting signature, black chrome-accented grille, side mirrors with integrated LED turn signals, and unique alloy wheels with all-terrain or all-season tires complete the package. It also has a new 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, with a higher resolution and improved voice recognition. A new wireless charging pad, 2 USB-C ports, high-def reversing camera, and a new head-up display with late availability round up the list of updates. The 2020 GMC Acadia will go on sale this fall, with pricing details to be announced closer to that date. It will manufactured at GM's Spring Hill facility in Tennessee.